Hi there, welcome back to Rolling with Rainbows. In this second part, I go from the Globe Theatre right up to the National Theatre and show you things to see and do on the way. Enjoy! Shakespeare, he's the one that said, all the world's a stage. Well, this new theatre will have its own stage. I'm due to visit and will upload the video when I have. In the meantime, let's keep rolling along the side of the River Thames towards the National Theatre. The tall chimneys you can see on the left, they belong to the Tate Modern. The Tate Modern is housed within the former Bankside Power Station. It's free to get in. Some of the exhibitions may have a small charge. It was built using 4.2 million bricks and designed by Sir Gilbert Giles Scott. He also designed Waterloo Bridge, the first red telephone box and Battersea Power Station. It's really easy to get up on the bridge if you use a mobility scooter or a wheelchair or have a buggy with you. Let's go under the Millennium Bridge, and maybe over it too. Here you can see some of the 4.2 million bricks. It's London's only pedestrian-only bridge across the Thames and designed to end just outside St Paul's Cathedral. It was designed by Baron Norman Foster and is 325 metres long. It was opened on the 10th of June in the year 2000, hence the name Millennium Bridge. It had to be closed for a short while because something was wrong with the suspension and it would sway from side to side. That's why a lot of Londoners know it as the Wobbly Bridge. It's all sorted now though, so you're quite safe. And the views from the centre are brilliant. Yes, there's quite a few beaches along the Thames. I would never recommend swimming in the Thames though. There are so many currents and tides and it's really dangerous. Now, I've actually filmed a visit around St Paul's Cathedral that you can watch in a few weeks' time. Just got to finish editing it. It's a lot more accessible than you may think. Oh, here we are. There's that collection of 4.2 million bricks again. Sadly, it's closed on New Year's Eve, or it would be a brilliant place to see the fireworks from.
Everything's all new, everything's a little like fun. There's no coincidence, I'm home. I can die when I'm done. Maybe I'm crazy. Maybe you're crazy. Maybe we're crazy. Probably.
There's some lovely shady areas around here that you can stop for a rest or to eat your picnic. It's not my normal taste in music, but good on them. Live music is brilliant. I love it how this is also step-free and trouble-free for anyone with mobility problems using a wheelchair or a mobility scooter. I've seen so many people in wheelchairs and on scooters enjoying it like everyone else. As you come up towards the National Theatre, there's this lovely little area selling crafts, foods, drinks. On the sandy beach that's exposed at low tide, you'll often see sand artists. As I said before, the Thames is not safe for swimming, so please don't even think about it. On the right-hand side, you can see Waterloo Bridge. This was designed by Sir Gilbert Giles Scott, who designed the big building, the Tate Modern, that we've just come past. It was built by a mainly female workforce during the Second World War. Under Waterloo Bridge, every weekend, there's a lovely flea market where they sell postcards, music, books. There's also a park that bikers and skateboarders can show off their skills in. Really interesting. I think it's an excellent space for them all to meet and show off their skills. This is the festival pier here where you can catch riverboats up and down the river. Oh, well, let's see if the ice creams are more expensive here than they were at Canary Wharf. If I can offer you some advice, if you go to an ice cream van in London and there are no prices shown, please ask before you buy. Some will make up the prices to what they think you'll pay. And if they've already made it, you don't have a lot of option not to buy it. This statue of two women outside the National Theatre is called London Pride, and it was commissioned for the Festival of Great Britain in 1951. And this statue commemorates the life of Sir Laurence Olivier, the great actor. I'll be coming back to the National Theatre to record a video for you so we can see how accessible that is. But in the meantime, let's go through to Charing Cross. Come and join me in part 3, where I cross from this side of the river to the other, to Trafalgar Square. I've split this video into 3. But you could just as easily spend 3 days exploring this side of the river, step-free, if you go and visit every attraction. Right, I'm just going to get a lift to go up to Hungerford Bridge to cross the river. See you in part 3.